Okay folks, welcome aboard the Mayflower Garden for your trip down to the tower in Greenwich. I do have to give you a short safety announcement, not to alarm you in any way, just to familiarise you with the vessel traffic. This vessel is licensed to carry 250 people. We have all the latest lifesavers, directors, life rafts, life jackets. Life jackets is situated around the boat, marked with the green and white sticker. The exits are 2 doors down at the front of the boat and 2 at the back. If you're sitting on the top deck, just use your imagination. Did anybody understand that?